Hello kiddos, welcome to my one more new video. Today we are going to explore 10 weather conditions name in English. So let's start. This is sunny. Sunny. The sunny weather is bright and cheerful. The sun shines high in the sky and everything looks warm and happy. It's the best time to play outdoors or go for a picnic. This is rainy. Rainy. The rainy weather brings water from the sky. Raindrops fall on the ground and make everything fresh and cool. People use umbrellas, raincoats, and boots when it rains. This is cloudy. Cloudy. In cloudy weather, the sky is covered with grey and white clouds. The sun hides behind them and they look dull. Sometimes cloudy weather means it might rain soon. This is windy. Windy. A windy day means the air is moving quickly. You can see trees swaying and leaves flying in the air. It's fun to feel the breeze and fly a kite on the windy days. This is snowy. Snowy. When it's snowy, white snowflakes fall from the sky. The ground gets covered in soft white snow. People wear warm clothes and even enjoy making snowmen. This is stormy. Stormy. Stormy weather comes with heavy rain, thunder and lightning. The sky looks dark and you can hear loud sound from the clouds. It's best to stay indoors and stay safe during a storm. This is foggy. Foggy. A foggy day looks misty and unclear. You can't see very far because tiny water drops fill the air. Fog usually happens early in the morning or during winter. This is rainbow. Rainbow. A rainbow appears after the rain when the sun shines again. It has 7 beautiful colors and looks like a bridge in the sky. Seeing a rainbow always makes people happy. This is hot. Hot. When the weather is hot, the sun feels strong and warm. People wear light clothes, drink cold water and stay indoors. Hot weather is common during summer. This is cold. Cold. Cold weather means air feels chilly and cool. People wear jackets, gloves and scarves to stay warm. It's good time for warm food, cozy blankets and hot chocolate. You love chocolate? If yes, give a like to this video. So, today we have learned 10 weather conditions name in English. So, if you love this video, give a like and subscribe for my channel for more fun learning videos like this. Till then, bye bye, take care and wishing you a happy new year.